Hey, to change date and the time on the Redmi A3, you have to open the settings. Now from this, you have to scroll down all the way down, select system settings, and right now select date and the time. First of all, we have to turn off this automatic time, and after this, we have to click off here. Now we are able to pick the date manually by basically picking any date from the calendar, and it looks the same for the time. So we can pick any time that we want. Of course, we have to click OK to confirm, and from this we can also set the time zone. By clicking here, picking the region, you will actually get the time zone linked into this region. From this you can also turn on or off the 12 or 24-hour format by turning off the local default. But in my case, I always using the automatic date and the time. There we go. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe.